Hey there, I'm Ree with WTI, and I finally found the perfect water bottle. First of all, it has a MagSafe holder for my phone so I can use it to talk to people, watch movies, or just use it to use my phone while I'm traveling. What's really nice is you can angle it so that it is the perfect angle for video conferences. The magnet's also great because you can use it to put it in place anywhere you need it. On a sign, on the refrigerator, wherever you need it so it doesn't touch the gross ground, or just so that it's in a very convenient place for you. Second, it's stainless steel, so the water always tastes just a little fresher and it stays cold for 24 hours. And let me tell you, it really does. The next day, my ice cubes were still ice, so that's important. And the straw is nice and thick. I never felt that the suction was less like I do with some other similar bottles. And if that's not enough to make you love this like I do, it has a silicone cup that not only protects the bottle from my clumsy self, but wait for it, it also doubles as a pet hydration water bottle. My pups love that they can have fresh water on our walks. The handle is also super sturdy, so I feel comfortable taking it wherever I need it to go. I'm telling you, you might just have to get one of these and see if this too is your favorite water bottle of your dreams. But that's just my point of view.